Dear students, welcome to Iqra English School. This is your class 5th NCERT book looking around, and this is the chapter number 7, the experiments with water. As the chapter starts with the sentence, what floats, what sinks. So in this chapter we will read about what things are there that floats on the water and what things sinks, and how it happens we will read about this. Aisha was waiting for dinner. Today Ammi was making her favorite food, puri and spicy potato. There is a girl whose name is Aisha that is waiting for her dinner, that is puri and spicy potatoes. That is her favorite dinner, so she is anxiously waiting for her dinner. Aisha watched as her mother rolled out the puri and put it in the hot oil. She saw that at first the puri sank to the bottom of the pan. As it puffed up, the puri came up and started floating on the oil. One puri did not puff up and did not float like the others. On seeing this, Aisha took some dough and rolled it into a ball. She flattened it and put it in a bowl of water. Alas, it sank. It sank to the bottom and stayed there. Aisha was watching how her mother is rolled the puris and cooking that. So she was watching that. First of all, when her mother put the puri in the hot oil, it sank, and when it puffed, it comes and float on the oil, come upside of the oil and starts float. So that is why she also did an experiment. She rolled a dough in a ball and flattened it and put it in a water, but that was not float and stayed in the bottom. Think what would happen if Aisha put a puffed puri in a bowl of water. It sink or float? So you can say, and you can do it at your home. If any puff puri will put in the bowl of water, the puri will float. You put a steel plate on water, would it sink or float? What would happen to a spoon? If we will put a plate of steel in a water, the plate will float on the water, and if we will put a spoon in the water, then the spoon will sink. You can also do this experiment at your home. Would the cap of a plastic bottle sink or float on water? If we will put a plastic bottle cap, then the cap will float on the water. In the evening, Aisha went for a bath. She had just come out when her mother called, Aisha, you have dropped the soap in the water again. Take it out and put it in the soap case. Aisha was in a hurry and the soap case fell out of her hands. It started floating on water. Aisha gently put the soap in the soap case. She saw that the case continued to float even with the soap in it. Have you seen that something float on water while others sink? Think how this happens. The poem here raises such questions. Let's read the poem. Why, oh why? A wooden boat in water will float, but a needle will sink. Why does it happen? Let me think. An iron ship will also float, though it's much heavier than my boat. But a needle, light as a leaf, thin as a pin, will sink right in. Why does this happen? Let me think. So, listen carefully what I am going to tell you. Why the things sank and why the things float on water. This happens because of buoyancy force. The water has a buoyancy force. The buoyancy force is the force exerted by a liquid to oppose the weight of an immersed object. Immersed object means the sank object. Such as the earth has a magnetic force, anything that is thrown upside, it's directly come on the ground because of its magnetic force. When anything put in water, at first it goes on the surface of the water, but after a while the water forces the thing on the upper side. How do you know when the object will float and sink? So listen carefully. When anything put in water, then the water leave the place for the object and come on the side of the object. This water is said displaced water. Do you know the displaced water? When the thing is when anything put in the water leave the place for the object and come on the side of the object. So the water that come on the side of the object is said displaced water. When the weight of an object is more than the buoyant force, the object will sink. When the buoyant force is more than the weight of an object, the object will float. The floating and sinking of an object also depends on the area of an object. When the area of the object is more, buoyant force exerted by the liquid will be more and the object will float. Like a heavy ship float, but a needle sink because the area of the needle is small and the weight of the needle is more than the buoyant force exerted by the liquid.